Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
I have a problem with these young people and the whole heap of bore up that them doing to themselves. You see, when I was a young girl, we used to wear what we call clip-on ears ring. Hard then use hot needle so fi bore hole and put one into each of your hairs. Now if that went so hot and a hunger one hole them been bore, I cannot imagine the pain these children going through. We put in a 10 hole in a one haze. As if it name bad enough for them a put all 12 hole in a each of them ears. Them bore all them nose too. Now you tell me, what do they do when they have to sneeze? Do they tell the Sunnis to hold on little bit, make a take out the ring out of me nose hole? Some of them favor bull cow. Around go bull cow, me know have ring around from one nose to the other one. Cursed nonsense. Hold on little bit, he not done yet. They go down further on their body and bore their tongue and their navel. What I want to know is, the ring not juke them in a them mouth. And even better, how do these things heal? They have to drink 2 straw like a sick somebody so tell the tongue get better? Father Jesus, it don't make any sense to me at all. The one way he na the neighbor they know, he na one class by feet itself. For if they no have a belly out close hot and nobody na see it. So then the blows them get shorter and the trousers them a get lower upon them body. And a man a woman a wear them too, you know. Man a walk with belly out. But that is another matter for another time. Me not even a go talk about the one them we go even further and bore their nether regions. For that cannot be sanitary or healthy at all. The ring then no get rusty with all that ammonia. One thing me have to say, me a nod and me don't talk.
Let me tell you. Any day you pass back again, you hear her complain about something else. But make sure you come back, you hear? For me really can't use the company else. And me and her one day, I'll not come back, you hear?
Join us again next time for more Granny Rant.